it's the one and only Tiari, and I'm back with some UGC tips. So today I'm going to be giving you places that you can apply and put yourself out there for brands to find you for UGC content creating. These are places that I've found, that I've seen other people use, that I've used, that creators or their brands from these places has reached out to me from. Even like some places that you wouldn't even think looks for creators from, they do. Be sure to check out my other video if you are starting your UGC journey, because I give you pointers on how to create your own portfolio, and I feel like that is step 1. Now this is more so step 2, because now we got the portfolio, we got how we want brands to see us, but now we need the brands to find us. We need somewhere to plaster these portfolios. Let's pull them up. The first website we're going to look at is Shopify. Now I already got an account with them, and I'm gonna go into my account and just show a few collaborations that I have, which is about 4 companies, brands, whatever. But one of them actually found me just through my social media, so I think that's first and foremost how brands will find you is through your social media, through your videos, you just doing your thing as a content creator. That's how they're going to find you. So many brands find me from my TikTok and my YouTube, so that's number 1. But if you aren't a content creator, you don't really do that on your type of page, you just want to find brands to do on their page, then these are some places that you can look. Now as you can see, this is Shopify, so they have all types of brands that you can go through, and you can just click one that kind of appeals to you, and I'm gonna just click a random one. So now you can just, sometimes I like to go to like their Instagram or just some of their pages just to kind of like check them out, see, you know, just kind of how they like their things, how their page is set up, just to see what exactly they are looking for out of a creator. And then you can save it as a favorite if you want to kind of come back to it, or you want to apply later, or you can just go ahead and apply. We're just gonna go through it. We're gonna go through this one, okay? So have you made a purchase with us before? No, whatever. And then all those are optional, so you don't have to go through those. Now, like, this is under my account, so some of my things are already in here, and so the about you will be like your location, and then first and last name, and then your email. But as you can see, the social accounts, oh, they do have TikTok. My bad, TikTok. So my Instagram, my TikTok, and my YouTube is connected. I don't use Facebook, so I don't have that one connected, but those are just a few that they ask for. So you can go through, and then then you send the application, and then they'll get back with you. Now it's some that, and then it'll show up as active as a collaboration. You have some that's pending of ones that you already done applied to. Hold up, let me go back to it. That you apply to, it'll be under pending, and then inactive if you want to accept it, or you're just not the type of creator that they're looking for right now, which is fine. It's okay. You're going to get denied sometimes, but hey, at least you try. So this is Shopify. This is one of the websites that you can apply and make an account with and apply to different brands, and just put yourself out there, because just because they deny you right now doesn't mean they may not come back around. Next we got, I do not know how to pronounce it, but we're just gonna say FIVERR. You can both look for services and give services, okay? Make your account, you can make your own like little ad or whatever, and I'm gonna show y'all the one I made. But right now I'm gonna show you how a brand could look for you from this website. So we're just gonna put in UGC Creator. So as you saw pop up, it had TikTok creator, which is a lot of type people are looking for right now, because TikTok is such a big influencing platform right now. So if you want to use that to get more people, use it. But as you can see right here, this is what a brand would see. So you get on this page right here, they're going to see this. They're going to see, okay, choosing from all these people, So that means you have to make yours stand out, okay? So I'm gonna go and log in just so y'all can see the one that I made. Now this is my profile on Fiverr. It got a little description. It shows the language that I speak. It has my accounts linked, my skills, which is content creation, wig styling, YouTube videos, all that good stuff. But here, over here to the right, under active gigs, this is my ad. This is what brands see on that page that I just showed y'all. Now I made this little banner just to kind of stand out, stick out, and as you can see, you know, it just kind of match my brand, my aesthetic, whatever, and just kind of like pop out at them like, hold on, 1,000 views, like, hold on. I'm kind of in that range with most of my video views, so that's how I get their attention. Like, you could hit 1,000 one time, I'm still gonna put 1,000 on that banner because we're trying to get their attention. So this is what I use. This is the video I use. I don't know why this is the video I use. I'll probably make another gig with newer content creations that I've done, but yeah, so this is what I've used. Now, kind of similar to the portfolio, you kind of set your package pricing. I think 50 to like 250 to 200 or something, like that's kind of my range with a lot of my stuff. So like here, my basic package is $50 for just one photo advertising the product, $150 for IG photo, story and feed, and a TikTok post, which is the standard, a bundle up. And then I kind of picked the names for them. So picture this, because it's just for a picture. Bundle up is a bundle of different things that I offer. And then one and only is like, it's like special, it's like exclusive, you know, so you get everything: a photo, an IG reel, a TikTok, and a YouTube video. But you see the price, so that's why. So it gives you, you can put about this gig, the audience size, the age group, like all that information that you can put under your gig and put it, you know, to the forefront so that brands can see it and they can choose what they want from you. On to the next. Now we're going to be going to Upwork. Now, if you never heard of Upwork, I don't blame you, because I had never either, but I had just searched up, I think in Google, like just trying to see where can I put myself as a creator where brands can see and reach out to me, and this was one of them. So again, we're going to put in UGC Creator. Sometimes you can put in content creator, sometimes you can put in whatever you need to. As you can see here, these are other content creators and they're showing their price, what they can do for brands, and obviously you can do the same thing. So right here, I done logged in. I actually have a proposal, an invitation to interview, because you have like a certain amount of like, it's like a point system, but they call it something else. So when you run out the certain amount of points, then you can't like interview or like send out proposals, and proposals are just applications. That's what they refer to them as on here. But as you can see, I have 5 saved jobs, and it's basically brands. They're no longer available because I did this months ago, but basically brands or just people that are looking for content creators to do certain jobs for them, and I saved them. You can go on the most recent, like you can set up your algorithm on this app or this website to show what you want it to show. So right here on the most searches, it's showing again more people who are looking for people to make content for them or advertise whatever they need advertised. I think it's a good tool. I'm going to probably get back on it. I got a US only if you don't want to really work with like internationally, but I definitely need to get back into it and send out some more applications or proposals, and I need to answer this interview. What's up with me, y'all? How am I trying to help y'all? I'm not even helping myself. Next, we have brands meet creators. I think I found this on TikTok, and personally, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I haven't had too much success with really these next few, except the last one, because I mean it's just kind of like Upwork a little bit to me. But Brand Me Creators, and then the next one is going to be Join Brands. I actually do have a profile on here, but I really haven't even finished, because it's like you can apply, but you have to do certain things. Like you have to do certain things in order to apply to these jobs, and it's like take a picture with a product or take a small clip video with a product, showcase of a product, and I just had never got to doing it, and I really didn't have products to do that with, so I didn't really finish with Join Brands. But I feel like it's a good tool, but I really don't understand with Join Brands and Brand Me Creators exactly how it works for us, how the brands get back to you, or how long it takes for them to get back to you. But I know I've heard a lot of people have success with these, especially on TikTok, so I'm sure they work. Maybe, you know, I'm not putting in the work that I need to in order to get the results that I want from these websites, but yes. So as you can see on Brand Me Creators for creators, they send me emails all the time though. I know Brands Me Creators do. Join Brands too, but especially this one about upcoming jobs or jobs that's looking for certain types of creators, whether plus size or gym rats or beauty influencers, whatever. But yeah, so again, just make your profile. Of course, you're going to go for creators because you're a creator looking to work with brands. And Join Brands is a little similar, but I really think it's a good platform. I think you could utilize it however you need to. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, I logged into my account, and you see how it says certificate needed. Like you can't apply to these certain brands until you do certain things. So I'm gonna go under my dashboard or under my account. Well, I'm gonna go under my account. It done took one of my certifications away because they did have like TikTok. I don't know what's with that. Like that, I really don't. Look, I signed up for these, but I don't really use them because I don't know how to use them. But this is what I meant about the certifications. Like you gotta take a picture with the product, a demo, a video, and just the product. And they show you how, but I just haven't got to it because at that time when I first made my account, I didn't have no products to do that with. I do now, but I just haven't got to it because I'm gonna have to deal with that later. But these are two other websites that you can go to and apply, make an account with: Brand Me Creators and Join Brands. Now, if you ever use Afterpay, you know exactly what this website is. Klarna, I want to say that's how you pronounce it. They have offered a way for creators to make an account on their website and reach out to brands. And really, I saw one girl, she was doing like you know, clothing hauls, different things, like really a lot of clothing brands that she was working with, because most of the time that's what Klarna is used for. I haven't seen it on other types of websites too, but most of us use it or use Afterpay for clothes. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, but they do offer this new thing where they let creators work with businesses and be able to get that one-on-one, that first hand to apply to certain businesses and things of that such. I'm gonna link the girl's TikTok to show you exactly how you apply and get into the account. But I think it's a wonderful opportunity. Like I really can't wait. And they reached out to me, actually. They sent me an email like, hey, we got this new thing, apply. And so that's really how I found out about it. And then I was reminded of it on TikTok when I saw the girl's video. And I'm just like, let me go check on that. And last but not least, as we all know, you have Indeed. Look for all other types of jobs on Indeed. Why not this? Okay, I had just searched it in there one day. It was like, let me just see what would pop up. And Lord beholds, more brands, more people looking for creators. Y'all gotta realize we are in a day and age where technology, social media, all these platforms are running the economy, running the working world, because so many people are just going towards these type of careers to make money. So it's like more people are looking at it and realizing, okay, this is what I need to do. This this is how I need to get my brand out there. This is how I need to get the exposure that I need. It may not be putting an ad in the newspaper no more. It may not be having signs, you know, while people drive. Not saying those are not good, useful tools to utilize, but you just gotta, you gotta go with the flow of the, you know, the day and age, babe. Indeed, we're gonna put UGC Creator. As you see, pops up. We're gonna click it. Gonna let it load, and there you go. People looking for exactly what you're on this video to do. Find brands to work with. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope both of my videos trying to give y'all tips on starting your UGC journey and starting your content creating journey has been useful, has been helpful, because I understand looking for something to just help you do what you have set in your mind to do and to try to succeed in. And I really hope that y'all do succeed in it. And I know y'all gonna succeed in it. We're gonna be fine. We're going to do this thing. We are gonna be great in this UGC content creating influencer world, babe. Don't give up. Don't give up. If you feel like brands aren't reaching out to you, they not seeing you, give it time. I promise. This is from somebody who has been literally been bombarded with products and people sending me things these last few months. Last year was a great content year for me as well, for it's just like the viral side of things, just going viral on TikTok a bunch of times. But this year is really about growth and really making a business of this thing. So this is why I'm able to tell y'all, don't give up. Like, it's gonna happen. You're gonna start getting gifted collaborations. Before you know it, you're getting paid. Before you know it, it's a side job. Before you know it, it's a full-time job. You quit your main job, your 9 to 5, your career. I hope your journey go exactly how you want it to go. All right. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. Everything is at Onlytiari. Hey, share it with your friends. Share it with your content creator friends. That's it. That's all. Bye.